ready for the next recipe. Okay, guys, after that, then I added some water, okay? Sorry, I talked too much. And then I added a little bit of water in there, and then you see more para syrup. By the way, this is so easy to do. Just, I don't know if some of you probably know how we do this back home. For me, oh my God, guys, you have no idea. I'm so grateful. For me, I don't think there isn't anything I haven't done back home. Like, really, even this recipe, yes, I have done it before back home. And the real one with the people that my grandma or my mom would send me to take it to them to do it in our neighborhood. And I will, I'll be like, yeah, I will help. And believe me, you know how I could order Quali now, like you are Quali because could order in your west. Even that, I have done that too. So yes. Anyway, so I just added a little bit more water, and then I come back, and then now I keep chicken with the syrup. And so I did this for like 5 minutes, 5 to 7 minutes. They need haka. So it didn't take me really long, and I make sure I cook in and then surfwa so say, because we just want the millet ye haski so say. That is all we need. So yeah, and as you're doing that, sometimes I can abubuwa achiki, like naga masara, corn, naga dawa achiki haka. So I have said it and this one and it's inchi. And it makes sense, you know what I mean? So hakanin is inchi. It was no big deal. By the way, where can you find millet? You can find millet at any African store or Indian store. Here in Michigan, I used to get it from Indian store, but they don't bring it anymore. So we were at our family's house in Columbus. We went to visit our family friends, Seinaga, and then my friend was telling me, oh, they have gyro. I was like, oh, I'm getting some. So she's amazing. She took me there, and I bought a lot. So and we bought it from African store. So you can find it in either African store or Indian store. And by the way, Indians have 2 types of millet. They have also the red one. I don't know. I'm sure it is okay. You can also use the red one. But growing up, all I know is we always use this type of gyro to make the masa. But I think you can totally use the red one. So just make sure if you can try and get this one, even better. All right, guys. So gashinandiyans, by now you should be done. I'm gonna set power, and then I'm gonna go ahead and clean it. Gashinana aje my clean container. You can use any container that you have. And so zan juye ne a ciki kawai. I'm gonna put all wanda na sarfa din geron a ciki. Gashi nan. That was really easy to do sarfa wannan. I thought it was fun, and also maybe because I haven't done that in ages. So yeah, gashi nan zan zuba ruwa ne kawai, and then haka kawai zan yi ta cleaning din shi millet din. I'm gonna wash it. I feel like I clean it for like 4 times. So what I'm saying, keep adding water after I rinsed it, and then I will add more water and then rinse it again until it is clear. And you guys will be really surprised how after some time, then the water, it was really clean. Myself, I was surprised. I was like, oh wow, look at that actually. So which means abun someone in diafita. So yeah, guys. And yeah, look at the water now. That's what I'm saying, guys. You see that? Crazy, right? Who would have thought that actually that can a lot after serpent? And it makes sense. And this is where I was telling you guys, naga the dawa. Oh, sorry, not the dawa. Oh my God, what am I thinking? Naga dawa. Oh, okay, it's very close, right? Dawa, the dawa. So naga, I find the dawa a lot. And then oh my goodness, sorry guys. Dawa. I found dawa. So say achiki haka na chitrate. And kawai ina ganin na san the red one and dawa cheese and chitrate achiki. Pretty much that's all you have to do after you clean it. And after this, then we're gonna go to the next step, guys. Alright guys, so yanzu kuma saura blending. What I need blending in gero mo. I'm using small blender because if abunka is not too much, you don't want to use big blender. So that's why I'm using my smoothie blender. And I'm sorry guys, I still haven't get a chance to do tutorial for my Ninja blender because it has like 5 heads, guys. That blender is a lifesaver. I love it. So inshallah, maybe one of these days, I'm sorry guys, I've just been really busy these days, but we'll try to do that because I know a lot of you messaged me on Instagram asking me about my blender, and I even said I would do it. So all I did was just add the millet and then a little bit of water, and pretty much that is it. And I just blended shikena. Looking good. Kuma, it was really smooth. I was like, oh my God. Like again, back to the blender. That's why I love my blender. And you don't want to use a big one because then ba za ta blending sosai ba gaskiya. So gashi nan na ɗauko abin juyawa kuna gani. I'm just showing you guys the consistency. That way you can see it's not too thick and it's not too watery. Because if it's too thick, then ba za ta zama very soft ba. So ita wannan masa din, it's a little bit softer. It's supposed to be softer than masa ta the white one, Masa shinkafa. All right, so yanzu ga kuma yeast na ɗauko. You can use any yeast that you have. I'm using the active dry yeast, and I just added 1 teaspoon. So you only need 1 teaspoon, and then if you're gonna make more, then you can add a little bit more yeast. And then sai kuma wannan okay, sai na juya, sorry. And then sai kuma na ɗauko salt. That's half teaspoon. And don't chika just the pinch of salt, you know what I mean, because nima I think ban zuba ba irin all the way din na chika half teaspoon da. So pretty much that is it. And sai kuma sugar. So sugar I added like 1 teaspoon, but you'll know your girl, I like it a little bit less sukari dan karu, so I added like kama 1.5 teaspoon haka. So totally optional if you want it. Some people ma ba masa sa sugar din, but it yana dan sa taste din ya dan zama a little bit different idan kai added din sugar din. It give it that irin taste din nan kana dan jin sugar sannan kuma salt kuma gaskiya ma dai yafi daɗi. So one thing guys I'm missing here is karkashi. The original one ana sa karkashi a ciki, but wallahi I try finding my karkashi and I was very disappointed because nima ban san bani da shi ba sai da nazo zan yi. And karkashi is not one of those things kai muke miya sosai, I like it, so once in a while both me and my husband ina mana miyar karkashi, but wallahi na duba ban gani ba sai hakuri nayi. So yeah, please, if you do have karkashi, add like 1 teaspoon. If you don't have it, don't worry about it because my masa ta yi sosai, so yours should too. And anyways, gashi nan yanzu na rufe. Then ajiye shi a gefe for like 35 minutes. And then here we go, guys. It's been like 35 minutes. Gashi nan zan buɗe magani. Alright, so here we go. Gashi nan ta ɗan hau, ta tashi. And one thing I was very happy about was that ta tashi sai ta ɗan ƙara zama thick, which I was really happy about. And because ɗazu da nayi markaɗen, I was a little bit nervous, like kamar ta yi ruwa. But I was like, I don't know, we'll see. But look at that yanzu. Yanzu gaskiya I like the consistency much better. So that really made me happy, alhamdulillah. And now kawai na ɗanɗana ne inji ko komai yaji, and which you should always do that too, before you start frying anything you're making, you should always test it if you can, and then that way if there's anything you need to add, and then mutum ya add in. All right, so yanzu ga wannan na kanwa ce, sai na zuba a ciki yar kaɗan saboda kun san millet yana da tsami, so you have to add some of the kanwa. So gashi nan nayi adin ɗan kanwa. And kuma karkashin mako sai idan mutum zai zuba karkashin, if you have some, sai yanzu like right after an buɗe bayan abun ya tashi, then you add your karkashi. After adding the karkashi aka juya, and then you add the potash, the kanwa. Alright, so yanzu gashi nan kawai ina ta jujjuyawa. So yanzu kuma guys, what is the next thing to do? We are going to fry our Wainar Gyero. Alright, let's get to the frying part. Now ga tender ta nan na ɗora ta a wuta. And again guys, for the tender we also have the tender available. Ga ɗan mai nan zan zuba mai a ciki first, sai in bar shi ya ɗan yi zafi. So anywhere you are in the world, we will mail it to you. I have mailed tender to UK, to Germany, to oh my god, okay guys, Canada and all. I can't so but anyways, I'm just telling you, if you're watching anywhere you're watching this and you need tender, just send me a message on Instagram and we'll have your tender mail out. And we have this one, and also we have the non-stick one, the new one, the black one. So if you need it, just send me a message, okay? All right guys, so gashi na mai na yayi zafi. So zan fara soyawa gashi nan. Oh my god guys, I was really like excited. Like actually I was very excited about this because it's been ages. It's been like 10 years I think tunda na ci Wainar Gyero. So I am really happy about this. So yeah, and on one thing again, mo Wainar Gyero ni dai growing up in ana frying din, because yawanci I go to the inda ake saidawa, and I help also much more call it irin juyawa haka, because it's in our neighborhood inda ake yi back home. So and the lady da take yi, her daughter Fati was one of my close friends. So whenever na ji kawai ni yar gida ce, ni zan zauna a gefe ni ma ina yi ana juyawa. Anyways guys, it's been like 5 minutes. Guys, you all know I have a lot of stories, right? Guys, I'm very proud of where I came from. Like it made me who I am. So all the time na san if ina girki za ku dinga jin so many labari. And guys, gaskiya I'm very grateful and blessed to grow up back home and have experienced all that experience that I had in my life. Amazing. Alhamdulillah. So anyways, gashi nan yanzu already har na juya. Kun gani gashi nan is looking brown, daga gani ta soyu. Masan nan. Alright, gashi nan ta farko is out. Like the farko na cinye ta. But like I was saying, guys, the first thing idan mutum ya fara testing, you're gonna have this weird test. You are like, what? What is this? Please, no, don't worry about that. Wait until when you kana da kulinka a gefen nan. If kun sayi kulinku da from Lola's kitchen, kulin nan namu ba magana. So you just, with the dan yaji a gefe, da dan ƙara dan oil on the top, ai ba magana alaji kawai, So, anyways, look at that, guys. It looks amazing. So, here we go, guys. Gashi nan kun gani already na haɗa ta. Ga uli na nan, ga ɗan yaji na nan. Shi ma yaji kuma muna da shi. So, if you need yaji, we also have it. Alright, guys. And here comes the end of making our Wainar Gyero. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching as always. And I always appreciate and love your support, guys. And I always love all the Instagram messages. Y'all are amazing. All the time messaging me, telling me how much my cooking help and whatnot. Oh my God, amazing. It means so much to me, guys. Anyways, guys, please, if you're new here again, please don't forget to subscribe and like and comment and share with your family and friends. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.